Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making these easy and delicious and healthy pancakes with banana and oats. So keep on watching. So for this, in a mixer grinder jar, I've taken 2 small cups of oats. Grind it to a fine powder. And to that, I've added 2 bananas, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, you don't need to add sugar if your bananas are sweet, a pinch of baking soda. Then I've cracked in 2 eggs. If you want to make it eggless, you can completely avoid the eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then blend it to a fine paste. Leave the batter to rest for 5 to 7 minutes. This will help the pancake batter to thicken up a little bit. Now in a non-stick pan, I'm just adding a little bit of oil and brushing it around so that it doesn't stick. I'm adding the pancake batter directly from the mixer grinder jar. Cook it on a medium to low heat, and when you see these bubbles coming up on top, you can flip them over. Flip them and cook it for around 1 minute on the other side too. Now my stack of pancakes are ready, and I'm just adding a little bit of strawberry jam and some pieces of banana and a small drizzle of maple syrup on top. You can add whatever toppings you like. So if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos, and until next time, bye bye.